Ethan, are you confident?
I'm going that way. It's the easy way. Okay? And we'll do that later, okay? Okay, we can do that later if you want. And then we're going to go and meet up in this room down here.
Super confident. I would go that way.
Sugar, if you don't show you want to do. Okay, that was
I've never been down here.
I don't know.
So we're going that way to exit. I think we're turning right.
Which hole?
Does anyone want to take lunch?
That way.
Okay.
That way.
Ethan, wrong way. It's Ethan, it's that way.
No, it's that way.
This way.
Now I'm waking up.
Oh, don't slam that.
It's really.
Which is easy.
Yo, we doing this one or no?
When you guys meet up in that room down there,
It's like a clip.
just take care of each other, okay? Make sure everybody
I don't know
stays with their buddy in
Where
their
are we
spot.
going? Where are we going? That way? Is that the easiest?
Yeah, you're
First?
right. I do remember.
And that's why we're going down there. So you can even find your back.
Ethan, if you want to lay out, are you going?
I'll take that.
Sure. I'll just stay with you guys.
All right, the handholds are climbing up.
Where?
Okay.
Cheek space is not
Sure.
very nice.
Sounds like it's going to be a ton of
If you want to sit down.
Let me go first on this one. I'll show you how to do this one. Okay, it's good. It's not that fair.
Alright, Griffin. Negroes are Joey and
What's your name again? I kind of forgot what it's called. Josh.
Caden. Alright, Joey, be careful. Don't go Caden. Don't go face first, okay?
Because this is.
Me and my buddy want to go opposite ways, so is there like a way we can
This cave once, but I do stuff.
So you
No, the
said,
part that you have to crawl through the super long tunnel.
what, so you said you wanted to go different ways? Who's your buddy?
This way's not super deep.
Who?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So who wants to go that way?
I want to crawl through the long tunnel.
And you don't want to?
Oh no, I do. I thought you said you don't.
I want to go through the long tunnel.
Oh, so guess what? You can do both. It's just might not be immediate. This one is easy to do while we're on this side, but you'll be going through that section quite a bit.
Alright. Yeah.
So listen, this is the entrance and exit of the cave, right? Because there's one way in, one way out. You'll be coming in here at least 3 times.
Yeah. Alright, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, right. Okay, so we go through here. We'll still be crawling through the long tunnel.
At some point.
Yeah, we'll still be going in there even if we go down there.
Whether it be on your
Okay.
way out or whether it be...
And this is actually easier. No, they said that one was easier.
Here, I'll make room for it.
I'm going to go to the easy way.
So this is slightly harder.
Yeah, if you want to try and find.
So, Mike, are you trying to partner? And that's why I want to do it. I want to do the harder thing because I'm that kind of person.
Yeah, because we're going to go through there if we do it slow.
You fall, you kind of dead.
Certified
Right.
No,
Oh, that's such a good idea.
If you fall in the big hole.
I love being in places like this.
Love caves.
I like caves. I like.
I like placing blocks
You ever been to like...
because I'm in
I didn't go to Lorraine. I
Minecraft.
went to Lorraine's like
It's so
weird. I went to Lorraine's weird other cousin.
I like placing blocks because I'm in Minecraft.
Yeah, I know. I don't like going to public caves.
Because they're just too crowded. And you don't. Yeah, they're just too crowded. This is
I'm
a
not worried about
nice
the
one.
crowd. I'm worried about nothing.
How long in are we?
Yeah, not
We
being able
are-
to go in, you walk
Wait, one
everywhere.
second.
Yeah, I'm walking
Down,
everywhere.
let me see.
And you can't explore anywhere. It's like
Down here for about an hour.
civilization of nature. It sucks.
Well, we've been down here
Yeah,
for
it's
about
also
now.
like big caving. It's not...
If the SSD card runs out soon, I'm gonna.
It's like a real cavern. But
I want
The
to-
SSD, the memory card.
I want to go. I want to go caving in Lorraine.
Yo, do you guys know how long GoPro cards last?
Longer.
Forever.
You'll be fine.
Like forever?
And worst case scenario, it just stops recording.
Yeah.
You'll be good. I doubt it's gonna run out.
And the save, and the what is prior will save what
Yeah.
you've recorded.
Like if it ends,
It
if you
saves?
run out- yeah,
Yeah.
it saves. It'll just stop.
Because it's all a physical card in here. It doesn't delete. On
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll just run out of space, and that's just how it goes.
And it, yeah, he told me it'll be 6 beeps.
Do you want to go?
I can go there.
Good for small kids like me. Guys, wait.
I'm gonna go before you.
It's almost time for us.
As much as it's fine.
You go, and then I'll go. Dang, it's dark here.
Yeah, I'll spot you up.
Appreciate it.
I'm not worried about pulling myself up. I just don't want
Eric,
to.
try lifting your foot on the ground.
I just don't trust it.
Oh, you don't want to not have a spot? Is that-
No, I don't want to be the spotter for you.
Oh.
If you mess up, I'm not
I'm
catching
not
you.
gonna mess up.
Well, no, I know you won't. But in the off chance that you do, I can't catch you. I can catch you. I can't catch you.
Get in there.
Exactly.
This is what I want to do. Okay, bro, I'm gonna keep home. Yeah, we'd all die. No, see? Why do you have your normal flashlight? It fell out of your pocket. My pocket's zipped. My thing's zipped. So, I'm chilling. Oh. This is the hardest part. This gripping. Okay, bro, chill. Low-key. Yeah, I should have left my backpack. Yeah, that's why I want to get out of here. I don't know.
How you doing, man? How you doing, fine?
This is kind of like I like doing it so much. I'm going. This is actually low-key chill. I'm chilling, bro. I'm going light speed. Eric, I'm low-key chilling. Wait, my thing. I'll go ahead and where's it? I got you. Alright, down, hands off. There. Wait. Nah, that's not good. How did your guys? Bro, where are they back there? Most of them didn't go down. Is it on? Bro, my partner, bro, my buddy, bro. Your buddy? He's still back there. Yeah. No, it's fine. It's fine. Here, go. I'm chilling right now. Josh, is it hard? Josh, you there? Stay in this room for now. Josh, how big is the hole? Josh, you there? How tall is the hole? You're in the tunnel? It can't be that dangerous, or else they wouldn't let people go. And if someone's ever gotten hurt, they can't do this anymore. Josh, come on.
Ashton, chill.
Should I wait? No, you're fine. You're fine, Ashton. Why did you bring your backpack? Dude, you should have left your backpack up there. Should have. I should have. Well, we're trapped kind of here for a while. So if you want to go back and put your backpack there, then like you're fine. So I'm not moving. But it would be really hard.
I'll be coming through before Josh. He's gonna follow me.
Okay. Oh, I see. Bro, I'm just worried for Josh's safety.
He's got it.
No, how?
He just went the wrong way and he's following me now because I know where I'm going.
And also, watch out. You're gonna have to like twist your body.
Okay, Josh, you see where I am?
Yeah.
Cool. When you get, just like, try and plant your foot down, or your hand down, and sort of like slide down.
Bro, I am chilling somewhere.
Or you could also just like walk sideways.
I guess, yeah, if you want to try and get your other foot down, you can walk sideways.
Yeah, that's what I did.
You okay?
I'm getting jammed.
What's the issue?
I'm getting down.
Okay, you coming down? I'm gonna give you a little more
I
room.
didn't see the light down here, so instead I thought that this was...
Here, bro, twist your body to go up
No, I
there.
know how this works. I'm just making sure I don't lose Josh.
Hey, back here, I see you.
You're all good?
Don't get too close to his feet.
Yeah, my feet smell pretty bad. I wouldn't get too close.
Of course they do.
How?
I'm a runner. What do you mean of course I do?
Well, my GoPro is gonna keep scratching the top there. Yeah, we're chilling though.
Did I like pop open a Slim Jim?
I
No,
would prefer it if you didn't.
no, you're not allowed to eat down here.
Yeah, no, you actually are. He said you
Noah,
could.
I saw where you're going.
You saw it? Alright, cool.
I'm in the...
Bro, I am chilling
rolling
right
down tunnel.
Yeah, there's a jam right here. You're gonna be stuck like that for a while.
What do you mean there's a jam?
No, Joe, we can't get up the hole.
Oh, I knew it.
Yeah, so we're kind of stuck here. We're kind of stuck here for a while. Okay.
Find a spot to get once you get through, just find a spot to get yourself comfortable. We're in a bit of a jam.
No, are you last?
No.
This is the exact.
Josh is behind me, and then Caden and Liam are coming through.
Yo.
What do you mean, Joey can't get up the
Did
hole?
Joey get up now? Oh no, they're still going up. He's still trying to
Do you
get
have room
up.
to slide over a tiny bit more?
Guys,
I can't really do much.
Like just a
I
smidge.
should have left my backpack.
Oh, thank you.
Behind you.
Yeah, just come in. Come in, find a spot, get a little comfy. We're gonna be a second.
Wait, is there?
Let's go light speed.
Yeah, I just wanted you to scoot over because I'm tall and my neck was in a weird spot.
Yeah, you have enough room.
Yeah, now I've got a bit of headroom. Thank you.
I'm coming in.
Yeah, Josh, once you get over here, you can like orient yourself a little better. You doing all right? Yeah. Okay,
Bro,
cool.
you good?
Yeah, I know. I saw. You're all good. Luckily, it's kind of hard to get lost in this cave. Everything will lead somewhere. And me,
Yeah, there's 7.
like me, Caden, Liam, and Allen are all pretty experienced. So we can.
Ashton, Liam, Noah, and Josh. That's 7.
No, I get it. I actually wasn't.
So there's us 3, or so us 4.
So like,
Yeah, bro, you can come a bit more.
I'm gonna wait till you
4
start
plus
moving. The person in front of you started moving.
There's 8.
Oh yeah,
There's Josh.
Okay.
Sure is.
Can Joey not get up, Joey?
No, Joey's up.
We're gonna be here.
Then what's
We're gonna die here. By the way.
Who's holding?
No, Tommy just started his way.
Oh,
Okay, guys, just calm down. Yeah, we know.
It's a lot easier if I give you boost. Just tell me if you need boost.
It's but the thing is, we're like
We're gonna be here. We're gonna be in here for hours.
At first, when Tommy wouldn't go in, I was like, I assume there will be like one traffic jam.
but because you're fine.
There's traffic jams all the
It's gonna
time.
happen.
Yeah.
As long as, like I said, you don't like go around bashing stalactites, you're fine.
I don't think you should bash stalactites.
That's what I'm saying. As long as you don't do that, you should be okay.
I was crawling in the cave and
Alright, come through.
Am I good to come through the room?
Well, we're getting there.
Yeah, just wait a second. Before
Oh, that's smart, Eric.
yeah, right there's a nice spot.
Not enough room yet.
I've got room.
Yeah, there's like no room.
Watch out, there's stalactites.
just crawling away close.
Josh, don't follow yet.
There's some stalactite. There's a stalactite.
There's a couple.
No, I'm just getting closer to
Very few.
Okay, yeah. Just don't. I wouldn't come through because you'll get a little uncomfy.
Yeah, it's pretty tight. You want to stay there. It's the best spot.
Yeah, right here's nice.
Right here is pretty chill. But Ashton's got the best spot, I think.
Ashton does have it nice.
He's got so much room.
Oh, I am so glad I braided my hair. It would be getting all over the cave right now.
You should have put on like a bandana.
I thought about it, but it's fine. I'm washing my hair after this anyway.
I'm taking a shower as soon as you get
Yeah, exactly. Like, I'll be fine.
Yeah, I'm fine.
I've been in this cave for a long time.
We've been in this cave for turn around.
What do you mean turn around?
No, I can look at Ashton's thingy.
Oh, I thought you were telling me
1
go.
hour and 6 minutes.
I thought you were about to tell me to go back, and I'm like,
Oh,
what
no.
do you mean go back?
No, we've been in here for like just over an hour.
What's up, squad?
Squad.
What's up, gang?
Squad,
gang?
no.
Gang, gang.
If you want to do that, I can help.
Hey, has Caden or Liam come through yet?
They're still there.
You should call them and try and call them.
Liam, you good?
Alright, you can come through.
One of you can come through.
One of you guys can come through. We have space.
Wait, no, that doesn't, no.
Now, wait. Josh can come through.
Yeah, Josh, you can come over to this side.
That's a good foothold.
Okay, I have to put my gloves off because I was taking pictures with the phone. I'm going to be a second.
Yeah, you're all good. Oops.
Eric, I would zip up if I were you.
I can't. My zipper's broken.
It shouldn't be
He's
that
putting his
bad.
clothes back on because he's taking photos.
I was taking photos with the phone.
Yeah.
Can you do that? I think that might
Just sending the message forward.
Oh yeah, watch out for those rocks. You want? Yeah, like that. And then put your hands here. You're going to go.
Probably Caden.
So,
Hey, what's up, Caden?
don't leave me in a boost. I'll make it much
Still got a lot of.
We had a bit of a hold up, but we're starting to move again.
Yeah. Guess so. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's useful if you can wedge your body
Yeah.
between the
No, I get it. I just wanted to let you know because we're moving again.
California girls, undeniable.
Not very quick, but we are.
Dukes, bikinis on top. Sun-kissed skin so hot, melt your popsicle. Whoa. Master Puppet. Master Puppet.
Crazy.
Master Puppet.
Watch out. I just say no.
Just slide in there like a snaky wakey.
Good foothold. Good handhold. I think maybe you can try wedging your body between two things. You're trying to go up there.
Hey, Max. Max.
Yeah, what's up?
After Ashton goes, you can go.
Okay.
Because we're coming
He's spotting
I'll
Josh.
spot you.
He's spotting Josh.
Yeah, I'm spotting you. I'll spot you and I'll spot Josh. Hey, what's going on?
All right, Ashton, come through. Wait a second. Yeah, now you can come.
I'm doing great.
I know. I hate my backpack now.
Oh yeah, you want to take off your backpack for this. Pass it up.
Hey, Julian, are you
Yeah,
still
I got
out
it.
there?
I got backpack.
You guys can come through this space.
Hi, bestie.
Hey.
No, there is space.
Julian,
There's really not that much space. I'd wait a second.
Julian, can you get that? Okay.
All right.
I get an eye infection after this, but that's.
Do you want me to explain it to you, or do you want to figure it out? Just let me know, and I can give you a boost.
What's up?
Where do I put my hand in?
You can put your hand in there, up here. Once you like, that's a great foothold. It's not slippery, or it is kind of. It's kind of slippery, but it's the best you've got.
Don't say that.
Bro, my. Okay. You wanna put your hand there, left hand there.
Hey, Max.
Bend your knee. Put your foot like this on the rock. Press your back against the rock if you need to. And then you can kind of boost yourself up.
Oliver.
If you need, if you need a boost, you can just step on my hands, or I can, press you up.
We didn't do this last year. We just walked through that and then we did that.
Private.
If you try, can you get your hand up there? Don't if you can't get it up there.
Oh, you did?
I've done this section before.
I can't though.
Okay.
Last time I did it, I had to have Toby help me.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
Oh yeah, I remember.
All right, just
All right, here. Ashton, I'm here with.
I don't know.
Ashton, I'm here with hands up.
I can't.
you can don't try to just grab.
Yeah.
You need to press.
I
So press
don't
Wedge
know where
your
to.
body. Okay. If you feel like